Now friends, chapter number 7, it's example 8. Find the coordinates of the trisection of the line segment joining the points A2 minus 2, A2 minus 2 and B minus 7, 4. Friends, trisection means the point which made three equal part of line segment AB. So here I assume here suppose PXY and QX are the trisection points of line segment AB. अब ये ट्राइसेक्शन पॉइंट है तो हम लिख सकते हैं AP is equal PQ is equal QB. We can write AP is equal PQ is equal QB. Now here friends, in this sum we can see P is the midpoint of AQ, Q is the midpoint of PP, but we don't know the coordinates of P and Q. So recently we cannot use the middle term formula. For middle term formula we have either P or Q. ये दोनों में से किसी एक का आंसर चाहिए. Here friends, P and Q are not given. तो फर्स्ट हम Q को निकाल देते हैं. Q को अगर नहीं देखते हैं तो क्या होगा? Here we can see if Q disappear, P divides the line segment AB in 1:2. P divides line segment AB. देखो P के आगे 1 स्टार है, P के बाद 2 स्टार है, तो P divides AB in 1:2. P divides AB in 1:2. ये तीनों सेम है, AB1, 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 लेकिन P अकेला लाइन सेगमेंट AB को 1:2 में डिवाइड करता है. P divides line segment AB in 1:2. P divides line segment AB in 1:2. P divides line segment AB in 1:2. Here the ratio is given, so we use M1 is to M2 is equal 1:2. M1 is 1 and M2 is 2. Now we write the formula. Coordinates of P is equal M1x2 plus M2x1 upon M1 plus M2 comma M1y2 plus M2y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now friends, for it P divides line segment AB. AB को डिवाइड करता है तो A के कोऑर्डिनेट हम x1 y1 लेंगे. अगर BA को डिवाइड करता होगा तो हम B के कोऑर्डिनेट्स x1 y1 लेते, A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स x2 y2 लेते. Here P divides line segment AB. So coordinates of A are x1 y1, coordinates of B are x2 y2. Okay, फिर से समझ लो, P divides AB, so coordinates of A are x1 y1, coordinates of B are x2 y2. P divides line segment AB, so coordinates of A are x1 y1 and B are x2 y2. अगर P BA को डिवाइड करता है तो B के कोऑर्डिनेट को आपको x1 y1 लेना है और A के कोऑर्डिनेट को x2 y2 लेना है। अगर ऐसा आता है तो if P divide line segment AB, then A's coordinates are x1 y1, the coordinates of B are x2 y2. Whenever P divide line segment AB, so the coordinates of A are x1 y1, the coordinates of B are x2 y2. Whenever if P divide line segment BA, at that time BA यानी B पहले आएगा A बाद में आएगा, तो the coordinates of B are we take x1 y1 and the coordinates of A are x2 y2. But in our sum the P divide line segment AB is 1:2, so coordinates of A are x1 y1, coordinates of B are x2 y2. Here also these x1 y1 multiply with m2, and x2 y2 always multiply with m1. Here coordinates of P are xy. In place of m1 we write x bracket 1 bracket plus 2 bracket 1 plus 2 comma 1 bracket 2 bracket 1 plus 2 bracket close. Now friends, here we have to write -7 for x2 का वैल्यू है -7, बी अलर्ट, -7 x1 का वैल्यू है 2, x2 का y2 का वैल्यू है 4 and the value of y1 is -2. So we write here x comma y is equal -7, 2 to the 4, 1 plus 2 3. Here 4 1 ja 4, 2 2 ja 2 into -2 -4 by 3. Here xy is equal -3 by 3 comma 0 by 3. So xy -1 0. xy कितना आएगा -1 and 0. We find the coordinates of PR -1 and 0. Now friends, after finding the coordinates of P, we can find the coordinate of Q very easily. Coordinate of Q is a midpoint of PB. देखो P और B के एग्जैक्ट बीच में है, तो Q is a midpoint of PB, Q is a midpoint of PB, Q is a midpoint of PB. So we use midpoint formula. Also, if someone want to take the ratio, तो Q divides AB in 2:1 आएगा, लेकिन वो इसके जितना बड़ा हो जाएगा, we write here Q is midpoint of PB. PB का midpoint है, so coordinates of Q is equal x plus x2 by 2, y plus y2 by 2. The coordinates of Q are x dash y dash. x की जगह पे हमने वैल्यू फाइंड किया -1 प्लस -7 यानी -7 by 2. y के कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 0 and here is 4 divided by 2. -8 by 2, 4 by 2, -4 and 2. So the coordinates of Q we find here -4 and -2. Therefore, the coordinate of the points trisection of line segment AB, line segment joining A and B are, पहले हम P के लिखेंगे -1 0 and 4 2. Sorry, -4 2. So this is the answer. It's very easy and very simple. Some friends enjoy it. Thank you very much.